Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. Language and input method, which is important, so don't skip it right away. You can also enable accessibility features before getting started. Go to the language menu, check your input method, and if needed, select a different language from the list. For input method, select the correct one and click OK. If you need accessibility features, go to Accessibility and turn on what you need, then click OK to apply. Let's get started. The first step is connecting to a Wi-Fi network, so select your network, enter the password, and click Next. Then select how you want to use your Chromebook, personal use, for a child, or for work. Choose personal use, click Next, and wait for the device to check for updates. I recommend selecting Skip and Remind Me Later to let the update download in the background, then click Next. Next, sign into your Google account by entering your email or phone number and password. Adjust your agreements, enabling data recovery service, backup Android apps to Google Drive, and location services for better compatibility. The first option is optional, so enable the second, third, and fourth, then click Accept and Continue. Click it again unless you want to review sync options, then proceed. Create a PIN code of at least 6 digits, confirm it, and press Enter. You can adjust accessibility features like touchpad scrolling, display and text size, or choose dark or light theme, then click Next or skip to finish. Click Get Started. To check software update progress, go to the Control Center, click the gear icon, then select About Chrome OS at the bottom of the sidebar to see progress. After the update finishes, restart your device for changes to apply. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.